Alright, I'm just going to jump into this without my usual excuses, other than the fact that I don't have a workshop at the moment, but I just had to show this thing off. I got for my birthday a box full of tubes and this neat Sencore tube tester. I just wanted to show it in operation real quick. So I have a random tube that I picked out of the box over there. So it's a 6CL6. So we're going to come over here and find our way to 6CL6 there. I found it pretty quick. And this tells us how to configure our dials. So it says set dial A to 6. So we'll come over here and set that to 6. And then it was C10B. Okay, so C. Where's the? There it is. 10B. And then it says socket 3. So then I should probably open this before I was holding my phone, but hey, we'll figure this out. So now we're going to pop that tube out of here. Come on. Get out. There we go. Alright, so what socket did it say? I've already forgotten. Socket 3. So then we'll go over here, check the orientation of the pins there. Pop that little guy into the socket. Let me see if I can give you guys a better angle here. So there's a gap in the pins, and you like wait, no, it said 3, not 4, you dummy. Okay, that's why it wasn't going in. There we go. Put it in the right socket, and it fits. Alright, so now what we do is we're going to take this dial all the way over to Cal, and then we're going to sit for a bit. So we have to wait for the tube. On the inside, there's one on the inside here, and we also have to wait for this tube to warm up. And as you can see, when the tube warms up, all of a sudden, whoop, something's happening. Now we'll come over here and check our calibration. It's running a little hot. Okay, and you do this with every tube. So we're just gonna do that. Okay, so the first thing, I'm going to skip the short test because it's kind of boring, but basically the first thing you do is you bring it over the short test, and then you wind all the way through this wheel, and this will pop up if there's a short, and you can check the chart here like it says here. The normal shorts are on C and H, so I could probably check that just by flipping over the C. D, E, F, G, H. So regular shorts are on C and H. Didn't I just say I wasn't going to do that? Oh well. And then the next thing you check is the grid leakage. And you click over there and you check the grid leakage scale, which is this bottom one here. That says good. And then you click over to emission. And it pings over here into good. So we know now that that tube is good. And then we turn it off, and it's all done.